I like helping people, and I feel like I try to take care of them like I would take care of my own kids. My name is Austyn Sailings. I'm a team leader at the Kentucky Truck Plant. I grew up in Henry County, Kentucky. I went to Asbury University. I played baseball there for a year. My mom was kind of struggling, putting me through college, and my sister was in high school, and just had to make a decision of help her out because she's helped me for 19 years. The day I got hired on was probably the day I realized I could have a real future. That same week, I actually went and bought the truck I drive now. We're the first team to see the actual truck together.
Yeah, and you watch that camera and it'll show you where the boats are and you go down on top of the boats.
I've been doing team leader now for about 6 or 7 years.
Keeping the morale up for the 15 people, getting them everything they need from like a union standpoint, a job standpoint, parts, anything like that, I pretty much do.
If it wasn't for the guys that I have, the team that I have, they make my job so much easier than it is because they're so good at what they do.
But this man, this right here is the best worker in Ford Motor Company.
And it allows me just to take care of them so much more. At Kentucky Truck Plant, we make Lincoln Navigators, Ford Expeditions, and all the F-250s and up, the Super Duties. It was awesome meeting Jim Farley. He seemed like a really down-to-earth, kind of like me kind of guy. He took us in a meeting, and we talked about some of the problems that we see and some of the things that we would like to get fixed.
We launched the Super Duty, we did a great job, but now we got to get the quality better than anyone's. We're in that show me stage, and I know we're going to deliver.
He's really passionate about the next step for us and the quality, and it was awesome hearing that from him.
That's my role model right here.
If you're a tight-knit group, that's how quality and everything in a truck is built. Life is at stake. If you don't do a seatbelt right, an airbag, a cab mount, just brakes, anything, you know, that's somebody's life that you have. We all take great pride in building something that we would all drive and trust our families to drive.